My hair loss was a result of a very stressful life event. I remember sweeping my hand through my hair and just a bunch of it just fell out. People have like one or two things that really identify who they are. For me, it was my health and my hair. As soon as they can't cure you by giving you a pill, they disregard you. Nobody gave me any resources on a wig or where to go to or even what was happening to me. But the best thing that was told to me was that you are allowed to grieve these changes in your body and realize that it gets better. This is the new me. This is my new body. I like now having the options of not wearing hair and then being able to have my wigs. If I'm feeling short and sassy, I put a short and sassy wig on. If I want to have long hair, I have long hair. And I kind of like that. I tell my friends now, although what I went through was awful, I kind of wouldn't change it for anything.